Step into a world of creativity and discovery with a fun-filled nature and animals coloring adventure. For children, coloring is more than just an activity, it's a journey where imagination meets learning. When kids explore coloring pages filled with forests, oceans, mountains, and adorable animals, they begin to understand the beauty of the natural world in a playful and engaging way. Nature-themed coloring sheets often include trees, flowers, rivers, sunshine, and clouds. These simple yet meaningful elements help children recognize the environment around them. As they color a green tree or a bright yellow sun, they learn to connect colors with real-life objects. Over time, this helps build their observation skills and encourages them to notice nature in their daily lives. Whether it's a walk in the park or a trip to the countryside, animals make the adventure even more exciting. From farm animals like cows, chickens, and horses to wild animals such as lions, elephants, and giraffes, each coloring page becomes a mini-story waiting to be brought to life. Children can learn about where these animals live, what they eat, and how they look. They might color a lion with a golden mane or a fish with shimmering blue scales, adding their own creative twist along the way. One of the most magical parts of a coloring adventure is imagination. While some children may choose realistic colors, others might decide to create a purple elephant or a rainbow-colored butterfly. This freedom allows them to express their personality and think creatively without limits. There is no right or wrong in coloring, only endless possibilities. In addition to creativity, coloring nature and animals helps children develop important skills. Holding crayons and carefully filling in shapes improves fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Staying focused on completing a picture builds concentration and patience. These small steps play a big role in a child's overall development. Parents and teachers can make the adventure even more meaningful by turning coloring time into a learning experience. They can ask questions like, "Where does this animal live?" or "What sound does it make?" This encourages children to think, speak, and learn while having fun. Adding short stories or fun facts about animals can make each coloring page even more exciting. Coloring can also inspire a love for nature. When children spend time coloring beautiful landscapes and animals, they begin to appreciate the world around them. This early connection can grow into a sense of care and responsibility for the environment as they get older. In conclusion, a nature and animals coloring adventure is a perfect blend of fun, creativity, and education. It allows children to explore the wonders of the natural world, while developing important skills and expressing their imagination. With every page they color, they take a small step into a colorful adventure full of learning and joy.